Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by adding Recyclerview dependency and creating the layouts. This gets the component into your project. Once done, make an item row layout to shape each cell. Next, create a simple view holder class that binds views by ID. This encapsulates view references for fast recycling. Make sure to implement a layout inflator in the view holder creation path so you can inflate item row efficiently. These first steps give you the building blocks to populate and render a list quickly and reliably. You now implement the adapter which mediates data and views. This is the core of Recyclerview behavior. On Create View Holder inflates item row and returns a view holder. On Bind View Holder binds each data element to view fields. Do minimal work here for performance. Use Get Item Count to report list size. For smooth updates, prefer List Adapter with diffutil. Item callback so changes animate and compute diffs off the main thread. Once implemented, test with a static list to verify binding and view recycling. Finish by attaching the adapter to your Recyclerview and choosing a layout manager to control presentation. Linear Layout Manager is simplest. Then wire item click listeners inside View Holder or Adapter and use Adapter. Submit List, New List, for List Adapter or the appropriate notify methods otherwise. Make sure your Recyclerview has proper constraints or match parent height so it appears. If items don't show, check that IDs match. Adapter is set before layout pass and that your dataset isn't empty.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.